a couple things I want to continue from last time. I got the bump box ready. These are raised up a little bit, so it's hard to get the wheel right. You need the clearance because the chassis actually covers all the slots, so I just couldn't put the post up. These are at least about almost a 1/4 inch. So I go in, I have a 1/4 inch steel plate to raise this whole wheel and motor assembly up, and I use a little bit longer bolts. And then you have to center it. Make sure when it comes down, it's not going to hit the gears. So the bump box should be ready. Also, I ran into one little problem last night when I went to check something. Not with the bump box, but I was going to use their battery. It's 2 volts. I can't get it to charge. I get errors. So I'm going to have to do the lipo, and I'm changing out to the Sky RC battery switch that has the lipo function. So when it starts getting to the cutoff voltage, it'll shut down safely without destroying the batteries. And I want to go ahead and just show you where I'm going to be mounting it. I did take the covers off. The switch is still in here. So let's just try to figure it out together. I'm going to take these screws out. Or I think I am. Feels like it's turning, but I could be wrong. Oh, it's coming. They're just slow. Okay, if you remember last time I did one, it was a pain to run these wires. So let me go ahead and find this on my, well, didn't bring a razor blade. Let me go open it. You can hear the birds loud. See, a lot loud, very loud today. I'll go ahead and open it and see what we got. And let's hope the wires are long enough. I think that's where I ran into the last problem, why I mounted it on the side. Yeah, we're not going to have long enough wires to go to the factory location. So this is going to go to the receiver. And we're going to unplug that one. Note the orientation, black is always out. That might be fun to get back in. Give me a little time to feed it through there. It's going to take me a little while. Can't really see here. Okay, I forgot how hard or what actually was to get there, so I'm just going to take this wire tie and put a piece of tape around it. And take that razor blade. Get it around here. Whoops. See, I do on editing video so you see all the problems. Not like all nice and simple. This is why the smaller rolls are not always nice. I don't want to get too much. And I'm going to take this right here, cut it, and I'm going to make a little tab on the tape, and hopefully it'll pull. Like I said, you always see everything. It's a little bit oily from in there. They had it oiled down pretty good. If it wasn't for that, it would be nice and simple. You don't need to watch me retape it again. I'm sorry, I actually remember it's not going in that box, so I can actually just see an opening. I made a 90 right where the plug is, And if I can just reach it, hopefully you can see it coming up. Usually I use Futaba receivers. So I was trying to keep this one clear as stock as possible. Black on the outside. Push that one in. And that has to be for the battery. That might be a job to get that one back in there.